Hello, everyone. Love unboxing. It's Saturday. Finished editing the Odyssey video. Got this in the mail and picked it up from my friend, my famous friend. Somehow Etsy had his address stuck in because of the Dixon sack order. So this one automatically went to him too. I don't know where the package is. Let's find it. Here we go. It's over here. Abdullah. Little customs declaration. You can't smell anything. That's always a good thing. Oh man. Little treats. Oh, I can't wait for this. Okay. I asked for a special thing that was sold out on the site. He said he might be able to help me. And then I ordered a couple things. Beyond the Hills. Rêver Rouge. Let's just get to this and open the rest in a second. So Rêver Rouge said his favorite at the moment, as all the tars as he makes them, but really this place. Wow, that's seductive. That's beautiful. It has like even this red in the oil that's really sexy. You guys, we'll see if it picks it up, but man, I can pick it up from here. This dark, really. Oh man, we need smell-o-vision. I couldn't get it in time to smell and review, but I trust him. This is lovely. This is almost what you call a Valentine's Day dream fragrance. What you want to smell on a neck, a wrist, holding hands. Woo! I don't even know where to begin. A red champaka, I believe. He described it as a pink musk, I remember. I pick up a huge saffron, an amber. It's like a seductive amber scent. Really seductive amber. Like it triggers that place in my mind to just, when you turn off work, when you turn off everything, when you kind of force yourself to do it in that moment of a very routine life. Scents like this do it for you in an instant in the middle of that busy life. I think it's needed, especially the way I work and switch up things. It's rose. I want to say rose, but not a pure red rose. It's a seductive, meditative bliss. He creates the atmosphere. He's the first one I did it with Suga Musk that talked about creating an atmosphere. And this is something I just want to be in. Why you just go into that creative mode of working. Even when you go into a room with people and you're forced to just come up with ideas for work. If you do that line of work, you know what I'm talking about. This is a tool. It's a cheat. Not really a cheat, but anybody can use it, but it helps me go deeper to those places. And just switch off and give me like an above view of life, if you will. Pink musk, rose, saffron, osmanthus. They're all there together. I want to say there's a light musk in here. I'm not positive. Like deer musk, but there's a chance there's none in here, but something, I don't know. Amber for sure. Beautiful, beautiful amber. I think it's fossilized amber is the note in here. I mean, look, when he gets more ingredients, he releases them. I believe this is a part 2, Rêver Rouge. So there'll be a part 3. If I know ahead of it a time, if he emails me ahead of time, I'll do full review on this to have it ahead of time for that. Oh yeah, I wanted this Castoreum sandalwood to smell it. Maceration. Woo! It has like a beef jerky kind of smell to it instead of leather. I haven't smelled Castoreum by itself, raw Castoreum. So this is the closest I've gotten to it. I have Zabad. Thanks to Mellifluence. Thanks to that duel. There's one in here. If he is able to get it to me, I mean, if he's out, he's out. That everybody wanted me to smell. It's here. I guess this is one of the most asked for creations of his. It's Animalic through and through. Musk, civet paste, all the real stuff. I am the worst at taking this plumber's tape off. Where is there a company that creates perfumer's tape? Just saying. I love this blade. Zabad 2. Holy criminy. This might be the most animalic, not just, I mean, I've smelled the pure civet, I smelled pure musk tincture. But together, smoky. I can smell the Castoreum in here. That's funny. I wouldn't have been able to pull that out before I did that. That's how I learn. Whew. It's got relief, but it is animal. This is probably the most animal scent ever. Zabad. I can see why the hardcore guys love this. I sold out and no, I didn't have a chance. Somebody told me about it. I went look, sold out. I mean, quick. Just a smoky, hairy, pissy beast. Not for the faint of heart. I mean, maybe on a solo trek in the woods, which I do a lot, I could wear something like this, but man, I just feel all the hairs growing on my body just by putting this on. Maybe a cold, super cold day, you put something like this on to just, it's good. It's good. I mean, if you're you want the Animalics of Animalics, there it is, Zabad. Look for his next batch. This is part 2. It's requested, so I'm sure he'll have another batch to it. So, we did the Castoreum. We did Rêver Rouge. Let's do Beyond the Hills. I think this is a vetiver or patchouli, one of the two. I forget the ingredients on this one. I know I liked it, so I ordered it. I think it's vetiver or patchouli. This is just a nice green scent. A nice vetiver sparkle. Really earthy, grassy, vibrant, alive. Feels 100% natural. Great summer, easy. fragrance. I'd wear it once every couple weeks. I've been wearing the vetiver I have. Like, I mean, I'm a third of it already used from Bortnikov. So this would go right with that rotation. Something about the ingredients just pulling me in, cools you off on hot, sweaty days, works with heat, works with sweat. Those hot days when you're outside talking, it just, what it gives off, I'm a fan of personally. So I've been wearing a lot of vetivers. Anyways, Mellifluence, always on the channel. Rêver Rouge, I'll talk to him. I email him. If he ever does a new batch, I'll be as quick as possible to get it up on the channel, a full review, now that I have it. And he can say the differences on his site of the part 3, which he does change, but at least you'll get a general understanding in a full review. Stuff is, it's a winter fragrance for me. I know exactly when I'll wear it. I'll use this whole, of course, now I wish I would have got the 3, Easy 3 by the Rêver Rouge. But at least I have this. So that's the way to look at this stuff. All right, everyone. Be blessed. I'm out.